Guys, this is for the first time we are seeing this Bhubaneswar board.
It really makes us happy.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a vlog of my journey from Hyderabad to Bhubaneswar through a car. This is the second part and the link to the first part is in the description box. But today is not just about my journey but about some warnings and safeties that you should follow while you make such long road trips. Also, we met with something unfortunate on the way and watched the field video to know what it is. I have not been able to meet my family yet as they have been suffering from corona, and I hope you keep them in your prayers. So this is the park. We woke up to this in the morning and then we are going to their it's a beautiful place. I wish there was no corona and this was a holiday and we could just stay over it.
Hey, hi guys. Hey, Unna. Unna, are you enjoying?
Anna, are you enjoying? See?
Are you enjoying?
Uno is scared,
Uno
Uno is scared
Uno
of
is not
water.
enjoying.
He thinks
Uno
water
is
will
not
take him
enjoying.
away.
Hi guys. So the time is around 9 p.m. and we started from the hotel some 30-45 minutes back. We got lost somewhere and we are leaving Vizag. It's quite late today. Took some time to arrange food for the day. So let's see when we reach Odisha. Vizag छोड़ते ही I don't know, it is taking so much time. The roads are really crowded. Traffic भी है. I don't know. Tech Mahindra, we are near this Tech Mahindra office. I don't know. Everything is normal. It doesn't even seem like कुछ pandemic है and all. It is even crowded in Hyderabad, I feel. So one tip I wanted to share is Google Maps के लिए we have lost 1.5 hours yesterday और आज भी उसी के लिए we were confused. So there are a lot of detours which Google Map is suggesting on the way. I don't know why. So 2-3 times we took those detours. So I would say that look for the signboards, ask the autowalas or the truck drivers, and don't deviate from the NH. It's going to cost you a lot of time, which costed us yesterday. Follow the signboards and go straight on the NH. So the finally we got some free roads. So we are nearing Vijayanagaram. Time is around 10:30, 10 kilometers away from Vijayanagaram. It's very picturesque and beautiful. You can see the roads, so many trees. मतलब अभी वो feel आ रहा है अच्छा सा long drive वाला feel. So we are feeling happy that we are nearing Odisha. So let's see. Maybe by today lunch, we should enter Odisha. Hi guys, अभी around 11:30 हो रहा है. Roads are good and we reached Srikakulam now and so far so good and there are lot of coconut vendors on the road और बहुत सारा coconut water मिल रहा है and traveling in an AC car sometimes causes a lot of dehydration. So to keep ourselves hydrated, हम लोग इस बार ज़्यादा breaks नहीं ले रहे हैं. We are just having this coconut water and sipping. So we had no breakfast break or anything. We'll break at lunch. This is Madapam Toll Plaza. I think somewhere between Palasa and Srikakulam. Time is around 12:15. Let's see कब तक उड़ीसा पहुँचते हैं. Baby is also sleeping.
Hey guys.
So we are 40 kilometers from Palasa and छोटा सा break लिया है for lunch and यहाँ पे जो आपको पहाड़ दिख रहे हैं, these are all made up of granite. Let me tell you. And बहुत धूप हो रहा है, बाहर खाना भी नहीं खा सकते, कार में बैठ के खाना पड़ेगा. So let's see कब तक पहुँचते हैं.
Yeah. We'll have a lunch.
Finally, we are entering the toll, and this is Ichapuram toll, Odisha Andhra border. Nobody is asking for any documents, and we have reached Odisha. This is entering into Odisha, so there is some RTA checking. So time is 3:30 and Uno abhi tak soya nahi hai. You can see what he is doing, and we have just crossed Chhatrapur. So Bhubaneswar is around 150 kilometers from here. So roads are pretty good. Most of the roads are good apart from few patches from Vizag to Odisha where construction and extension of highways is going on. He's saying, yeah, he's holding what? What you are holding? Windshield. He's holding his. Okay. Okay. So let's see. We are taking very less breaks today as compared to yesterday. So see you when I reach next.
Hey guys, so we are in the Chhatrapur bypass, Chhatrapur Bhubaneswar bypass. We just took a small break, and Uno is busy driving, so he wants to drive and help me. You can see he's trying. Overall, the road condition is good. I didn't feel it so tiring apart from the time. Yes, if you are driving for around 20 hours, you are bound to get tired. But other than that, I felt road is good, but you have to be cautious because it is under construction. Expressway is still under construction, so there are a lot of divers to be able to take. And don't trust Google Map. Follow the what do you call this NH codes and all. And if you are confused, you can ask locals. I didn't understand why Google Map was continuously asking us to take turns. We have just take a small break here and had our tea. Now,
Wait karta.
okay, so we'll update you.
So we have reached this beautiful lake of Chilika, which is the largest lake in the world, brackish lake, and nearing home. Can you just see the beautiful mountains surrounding Chilika? So we are in that INS Chilika area. This is Barkul we have crossed, and the time is around 5:30. So we are going slow after what happened some time back, and I'm sure we will reach safe and sound in some time. It's going हम लोग बहुत slow जा रहे हैं, and the roads are like there are no lights and it has already gotten dark. And look at this boy, he's not even sleeping, and we are listening to one of our all-time Odia regional favorite songs, something when Abhi and I were dating, and he used to play this song on his car, and I was quite amused because I was very new to Odia music back then, and now it's like I just love this song. It's a very old classic, so listen to the song. Come. finally we entered Bhubaneswar. We have reached Bhubaneswar and it's 7:35. फाइनली घर आ गया और 10-15 मिनट में घर भी पहुंच जाएंगे. So finally we reached safe. I hope you enjoyed the ride with us.